Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos. It can be a person, an object, or anything else you want to erase from your image. To do this, go to the Adobe Express website. I'll leave the link in the description. First, upload your photo, then select Edit Original Image and choose the Remove Object tool. Adjust the brush size and paint over the object you want to remove. After processing, Adobe Express will generate 3 different results for you to choose from. I like this version the most, so I'll select it, click Keep, then close and download the image. Here, you can choose the image format. If you activate a free trial or have a paid subscription, you can also upscale your image, get more generations, and access additional features like higher quality exports and more AI tools. And this is the final result. If you want to see how other Adobe Express features work, like generating objects from your prompts or removing backgrounds, check out these videos. You can find them in the top right corner or in the description. See you in the next one.